Sweet chili crispy beef and tomatoes. I've been making this for nearly 30 years. It's a fantastic dish, so easy to make and really tasty. So use any beef, trim out the fat if it's got any fat on it, and then we want to be slicing the beef. That's a decent bite-sized piece. Put the beef in a bowl, roughly crack and chop up some garlic and put that in your beef bowl. We're just forming a marinade now just for the beef. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Shoesing wine, about a teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of white pepper, and give it a mix. And that's our marinade done. Leave it for 30 minutes. Make some batter, 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 50 grams of rice flour, give it a mix round. Add half a teaspoon of white pepper, mix it up. Take 2 or 3 spoons out to make up the batter. Add a bit of water. Stir it round until we got a batter. So add some water, stir it round, add some water, stir it round. We want a batter, we don't want a runny batter. To our beef, add 1 beaten egg. Mix it all around. And then we want to be dipping our beef in our flour. So we're going to go dry, wet, dry. So beef in the flour, coat it well, and then dip in the batter. Give it a good coating, and then back to the flour. So dry, wet, dry. Once it's all coated, get a pan on with some oil in, medium heat, and we want to fry our beef. So just fry till golden brown and crispy. Now when you're frying, guys, always lay away from you so you don't get splashed. So when our beef is crispy and golden brown, take it out, let it drain. Right, in a bowl then, we want to add 3 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, and I'll add a link to this because I make my own. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Shoesing wine, 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Give it a little mix. Ketchup's a bit thick, obviously. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Give it a mix in, and then we want to taste this. So taste and adjust. So we want to smash up some garlic, finely chop it up. This is going to be for our stir fry. So we're prepping our veg. Take half an onion and we want to cut it into segments. take one large red chili and we want to cut this, slice it up, we want to cut it on a bias so we get decent pieces in our stir fry. Now there's not much heat in one of these big chilies. 2 tomatoes, we want to slice them into 6. So basically we got a nice slice of tomato. Don't forget, this is beef and tomatoes. So to this we want to add about 3 or 4 slices of carrot and about 1/4 of a green pepper. That's just a contrasting colour in there. And then we want to take a little bit of green onion and slice it up for garnish. Also, what we'll probably do is sprinkle some sesame seeds over our finished dish. So in a pan, 2 tablespoons of oil, add our garlic, a little quick stir fry, not much colour, just aroma. Add our carrot, because that's quite a hard veg. Give it a little stir around. In with our onions. Now we don't want to char the onions all over, so just give it a stir around. In with our green pepper. Don't forget, it's a little quick stir fry. Stir in all the time, we don't want to char it all over. In with our tomato. In with our chili, and then in with our crispy beef. A little stir around, don't forget the beef's already cooked, we're only warming it up. And then in with our sauce. Stir it all around, warm it up, coat our crispy beef. And that's it guys, that's basically our sweet chili crispy beef and tomato done. Just plate up and serve. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll catch you next time. There we are guys, absolutely awesome, so simple. Sweet chili beef and tomatoes. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.